In this video, I will show you how to set up Voice Vlan on your ECS switch. Before we start configuring the switch, we need to make sure that VLANs are created in your router. As a demonstration, you will see that my main LAN is 192.168.4.0. As you can see here on this GrandStream desk phone, I'm going to go ahead and check the status. Go to network status, and you can see that my IP address is 192.168.4.160. To access the Voice Vlan menu, simply go to Switches, choose the switch that you're going to set up. Once you're in the main page, you'll see the Summary tab and the System Config tab. Click on System Config. As you notice, LLDP and Voice Vlan are disabled by default. To enable them, simply click the checkbox and toggle to the right to enable Voice Vlan. On the Voice Vlan ID, you're going to choose the VLAN that is being used for your voice. If you have multiple VLANs, they will show on this drop-down menu. Simply select the one that you're using for your Voice Vlan. If you don't have one created, you can simply add it by putting in VLAN ID and a name. Since I have already created one, I'm going to choose the correct one. As you can see in my router, I have a Voice Vlan set, which is on the subnet of 192.168.10.0. That is the subnet I'm expecting to get on my VoIP phone. Once you have verified everything, click Apply. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and configure the VLAN ports. In order for VLAN traffic to pass through, you need to tag the ports. In this scenario, I already have my ports tagged. As you can see, all the ports are tagged with VLAN 10. Make sure that port that's receiving the connection from the router is tagged. For an example, my port 1 is my access port. Now tag all the ports that you're going to be using for your voice over IP phones. Once completed, remember to click Apply. Now we're going to go back to the IP phone and we're going to check status, network settings, and as you can see, now the IP address is 192.168.10.230. This means that you have configured your Voice Vlan correctly. Now we're going to go ahead and plug the computer on the back of the VoIP phone. Okay, we can verify that the computer is getting a subnet from the main network. This means that even though it's connected directly to the VoIP phone, the Voice Vlan is only being read by the phone itself, but it's passing through native LAN to the computer connected to it.